This video will show you the student experience of Typesy. When they first log in with their Google account, they will be asked a few little questions. How often they look at the keyboard, how did they learn to type, where they rest their hands on the keyboard, which fingers they use to press Q and P keys, and what grade level they're in. At this point, you can do a typing test to get recommended goals, or you can skip it. For younger students, you probably want to skip the typing test. For more experienced students with typing, you would do the typing test and click recommend goals. At this point, you'd start the test. So at this point, you would have a speed goal set and an accuracy goal set. Click go to courses. Here they have a couple options. At the top, it starts with their courses. And so anything that you have assigned to them, there'll be the standard typing and then any cross-curricular extra content. If you've enabled games, there are some typing games that are available. This can be toggled off in class settings for the whole class. Any word lists that have been assigned to the class are here, and any tests or assignments will appear in tasks, and the little red number will say if they have any that they need to still do. Under profile, they have a couple options. They will see their current dashboard and progress, and a little heat map of the keys that they worked on. Under my pets, if it's toggled on, sorry, this one's toggled off for this class, they can earn points and hatch little pets as they progress. This can also be toggled off in class settings. Portfolio will show any work that they've completed. Stats shows a graph of their progress. And there are a couple options. They can turn on a dark theme if they prefer. They should not edit their profile because they don't want to change any of that stuff. They can check their goals, reset or recommend new goals, and they can retake the onboarding if they want to. Under settings, there's a couple little options. You can change the keyboard layout to Canadian if you want. They can hide or display the keyboard, allow backspacing. Sound, you can toggle on or off for the whole class. If you put it to student select, they can toggle that. They can require correct typing, so they have to go back, correct any mistakes. And voice, if you enable voice, this will read aloud the text as they're typing so they can hear it instead of reading it. And then keyboard clicks, you might want to toggle off for the class because it can get loud. Appearance, they can change the font and size. And other, they can toggle off the help features or on, closed captioning, set native language, and change the theme to dark as well here too. The options can be found up here on the right as well.